Elon Musk wants to turn the Tesla bot into the most powerful humanoid robot ever created to date. For this, he will use some of the artificial intelligence technologies implemented in his Tesla cars. Some science fiction movies such as AI Artificial Intelligence, Terminator, I, Robot or Bicentennial Man already raised the idea of a hypothetical world in which people lived with intelligent robots in humanoid form. It seems something distant, even unreal, but that future has managed to reach us and will become a reality in a short time. The creator of the idea is the tycoon Elon Musk, who will use some of the artificial intelligence technologies implemented in his Tesla cars to manufacture the Tesla bot, which will become the most powerful human-shaped robot in the world. In his presentation at Tesla AI Day, where he showed a model of the robot, he used an extra dressed as the robot with whom he joked about the matter. Obviously, this is not a real robot, but the Tesla bot will be. With Tesla Bot, Musk seeks to develop the next generation of automation, including a general-purpose bipedal humanoid robot capable of performing unfuturistic and aseptic external design. The robot will be 1.72 meters tall, weigh 57 kilos and travel at a maximum speed of 8 kilometers per hour. In addition, you can lift weights of up to 68 kilos and transport objects of 20 kilos. His movement will be based on the use of 40 electromechanical actuators distributed throughout his body to ensure movement, 12 of them only in the hands, which will have a great torsion force. In this way, it will be possible to create a strong superhuman with autonomous thinking who is initially designed to work in factories performing repetitive and dangerous tasks, although it is not ruled out that he may later perform other types of work. The technology that the brain of the Tesla bot will use is the same as that used by Tesla vehicles for their autonomous driving functions. According to Musk, the most advanced artificial intelligence chip architecture in the world. The Tesla bot will also use other elements from the company's vehicles, such as autopilot cameras on its head. Elon Musk has assured that this robot will be real and friendly to humans, and although it had in 2022.